Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about a neat way to swap out your Eachine E013 frame without having to resolder those motor wires. Here you can see I had my broken Eachine frame. I'd cracked the front, I'd glued it, cracked it here, and I'd even broken some of the spars on the motor mount. So it was in some real bad shape and wasn't flying anymore. I grabbed the new frame for it and noticed that the motors would have to be soldered back in. I came up with an easy solution to swap it out without soldering. What you'll need is a pair of wire cutters, what you'll notice is the motors are wired to the back side. It's hooked underneath this loop. You need to pop it out of the loop. And if you try to remove it, you'll notice the wire's on the inside of the frame, but the motor can only go up. So what's our solution? Snip the bottom. Make sure you don't catch the motor wire, like that. And then you can push the motor down through. Here, I'm going to do it on this one. You snip it. Open it up. And then push the motor down through. Don't push on the shaft, push on the case of the motor. And there you go. Now you can just thread your motor through that hole. That was my battery rubber band. And then for installing it on the new board, I'll show you how I did it on this one. Install the motors down through the hole, and then you can go up through the hole on this side. And then what you need to do is take your snips, and you want to cut a line down the side of the motor mount. What this does is increases the diameter of the motor mount so that you can fold the wire alongside the motor. I give it a little bit of slack so it doesn't strain the motor wires, and you can actually squeeze it down in the hole gently. Make sure you don't go too far so that the wires are actually rubbing, and make sure you don't have too much slack. There we go. Obviously, on the next step is removing the board with these two screws. If you have a camera, this is the power for the camera. That's how to remove the board. And that motor can come right up through here. Like that. So then install it in the reverse. You would go down through that hole on the new frame and then go up through the side like I showed you on that other frame and down through that hole. And that's how I swapped this one from this frame without soldering. So this is the cheap and easy. These frames are $5 off eBay. Cheap and easy, quick, no solder swap for the Eachine E013. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps some of you guys. Make sure to check out some of my other videos. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up and give me a subscribe.